Hi everyone, this is Rishabh Chatterjee and in this video we'll be speaking about top 10 skills to develop in college for early career success. Suppose you're in college now, then it is a good time to learn a new skill. In college, you'll be already seeing your exams going on, projects, assignments, final exams, term exams. All this will be going on one side. On another side, you will see meeting new people, new experiences, and you'll be learning a lot of new things. But between these two things, there is also one more thing, which is your own personal development. And how will you do that? By learning a skill that will help you in your career. So if you start learning a particular skill now that you like to do, then in future when you will start working on internships, this knowledge will help you to grow in your career faster. Now there are a lot of skills that you can learn. Totally there are 10 skills that we'll be talking about. And in this video, we'll be talking about the first 5 skills, and in the next video, we'll talk about next 5 skills. Now, these skills are not in any particular order. It completely depends on your interest, which one you want to learn. But these are some of the top ones that most people take. So let's start with the video. First is MS Office. Now, if you're going to do any work, MS Office is going to come. Like, you will need to use this software tool, and it's better that you start learning it early on so that when you are going for any internships or any job, you already know how to use this tool. Now, how do you practice learning this MS Office? Simple. Try to keep every day to learn this software. And how do you do it? So basically there are different tabs and menu options. Just briefly click on the menus, see what are the different options, and try using it. At first it might look like there are so many options. How do I learn this? So every day spend that time. Slowly you will start learning what are the different options and which option is available. Also, one thing, make sure that you are learning what are the shortcuts, because shortcuts take slight time to learn, but once you know the shortcut, when you are working, it's easier for you to do work on the software and the work becomes more faster and efficient. So some tips that can help you improve this skill is that when you are making essays for your college, practice your typing skills and also try to see what are the features that can be used. If you are working on math problems, then you can use Excel to verify your answers. And when you are making any slideshow for your college presentations, try to use PowerPoint so that again you learn what are the features available. Second, online search. Yes, this is a skill. Now, if you are trying to learn anything, you'll go online and you'll try searching it. And it's very important that you know what is the thought process of searching online, because you can spend hours online and still you don't know how to search, or you can spend a fixed amount of time and you know what's the search process and you're able to learn and search quickly. Now, some of the tips that can help you improve this skill is that you can search through credible material like Google Scholar instead of Wikipedia or any other websites. You will get better results if you use specific search phrases. Like when you're searching, suppose for music, then you will get broader results. Whereas if you search for rock music from 1990s, then the result will be much more specific. Make sure that you use credible websites, check the article references and domain names if the site is legitimate or not. Generally, you will see credible websites have a .com domain extension or .gov, .org, .ed or similar like this extensions. Third, cyber smartness. Now there's a lot of information available on the internet, and internet is something from where you can learn a lot. But there are also some things that can be dangerous, and we need to be safe from these dangerous things. So you should know what are the things that we are not supposed to do, how to be safe, what are the things that we should make sure that we are not doing on the internet, so that we are able to learn good things and avoid the bad things. Some tips that can help you improve this skill is that never click on links from unverified or unknown sources. You should always be aware of what you are posting online, whether it's from a shared computer or any other devices. Make sure that you review all privacy policies of social media platforms. Don't give your private information like address or phone number unless you are sure that that website keeps the information encrypted and secured. Keep your passwords unique and change them periodically. You'll not be only protecting yourself but also your computer, and also make sure the passwords that you are using are unique for each website and you're not repeating or using passwords which are very simple. If you follow these simple guidelines, you will be able to maintain your online privacy and security. Fourth, project management skills. A good project manager ensures that the work is done on time. So here you have to make sure that certain work is being done within that timeline and within that given budget. So you have to make sure that the people in your team are doing that particular project. Some of the tips to learn project management skills are: enroll in a project management course, read books and articles about project management, join a student organization that focuses on project management, find a mentor who is experienced in project management, take the initiative in various college projects and manage your team to complete them within the given time and on budget. Get involved with planning college events and learn in-depth aspects of staying within budget and timeline. Fifth is coding languages. Now, if you want to get into IT industry, then you will have to learn about coding languages, programming languages, and there are many options. Okay, you can select which one you want to choose, but make sure that you know which one you are choosing. Like if you want to work on developing websites, so you should know which programming language is used. Suppose you want to work on developing mobile apps, then again you should know which programming language is used for that. So based on your interest and based on what you want to work on, you have to decide which programming language you want to learn. Now there are some common coding languages like JavaScript, which is a programming language web developers use to create interactive websites. HTML, which is a standardized language for formatting text and images on websites such as paragraphs and table headers. CSS, which is cascading style sheet. CSS lets you adjust font, color and spacing in text content. HTML and CSS mostly go hand in hand and most developers know both the languages. Now tips to improve the skill is: ask help from someone who's already working in this particular field. You can also check out resources that help you learn to code faster. Make sure that you just don't read and you practice, because practicing is very important in programming, and ensure that you have a good understanding of the fundamentals before you try taking on bigger projects. So these were the 5 skills, and in the next video we'll be continuing with the next 5 skills. So stay tuned, video link will be in the description, and let us know in the comment section which is your favorite skill and which is one skill that you want to develop. Please do let us know in the comment section, and if you found this video useful, please do click on the like button so that this video reaches more people. Subscribe to the channel, press the bell icon, follow us on Instagram at EdYoda, EdYoda. That is it for today's video. See you again in the next one. Till then, bye bye.